I'm a little disaster today. Headed back to the doctor's office to pick up my retainer. And yeah, guess what? I went to bed at 8 because I was just falling asleep while sitting. And I guess my body thought that I was just taking a nap. And at midnight I was up and I couldn't go back to sleep till 4 a.m. And then, of course, early alarm. Now I'm just trying to make it to probably 10 to go to bed in a reasonable time so my body doesn't think that I'm taking a nap again. One day I'll figure it all out, all the sleeping schedule, but I guess not today again. Yep. How are you doing? How's your Friday going? Oh, come on, wind. Don't do that. Oh, okay, this is better. How's your Friday going?
The sushi dish for the cat last year. Yeah, that's so dangerous.
I feel like catfish.
I told you, like.
Monica thing, you know?
This way.
She doesn't.
Free baked goods.
Well, hello, Martha. You just came to our event at the beginning of this month. Good to see you again. Okay, dwarfs. Somebody hold me because I will get them. And hello to you too. I've just seen you recently. Woohoo! On the set. Perfect timing to take a walk, right?
Everything's fucking hot. I tell everybody.
Okay. While walking, I got this crazy idea. I don't know, maybe it's not crazy, maybe it's genius. So you heard me talking about me needing a schedule containing like of all the things I have to do, to learn, or to do regularly to get me where I want in my career. And I could never get myself to do that. And I thought, why don't I ask AI to do that? ChatGPT. That's so obvious. People are using it for it also. Why don't I? I can just give it all the things I want to do, prioritize them, maybe give them a priority, or give them in the order of priority, and ask it to create a schedule. Because when I create my schedule, I always forget to put like time to eat in there, time to rest, time to sleep. It's always too much. But maybe it can create like a schedule for a week. Like at school, you have a schedule for a week. And like some things have to happen 3 times per week. Some things have to happen every day. Something can happen once a week. I want to give it a try. Yeah. You know what? I will give it a try. I still have a couple of hours when I should not go to bed, because again, if I go to bed right now, my body will wake up at midnight and I will be staring at the ceiling till 4 a.m. So why don't I do something useful? Has anyone tried this before? It kind of struck me, like, why didn't I try that? Because ChatGPT is a great tool to help you in your life. It can do stuff for you. When they say that technology will just substitute people, I don't think it will happen anytime soon, because still, it's good, but still, there is a lot it has to learn and to grow, I think. But maybe I'm mistaken. I don't know. So yeah, I will try it. And I'll tell you tomorrow if I succeed or not. Because it might take a while. Or it might not. We both are so unpredictable. My ChatGPT and I, By the way, are you polite with that? I'm always polite with ChatGPT or Siri. I always say thank you and please. Because what if machines will take over? And then they will remember that I was nice to them. I always think about it. No, they have to remember that I was nice. I have to be nice. I should be nice. Okay, I hope you had a great Friday. Oh, it's Friday night. Probably you're having fun somewhere out there. Like with us out there, it's pouring rain. And yeah, I hope you're having fun. You had a great week and enjoy your weekend. Thanks so much for listening, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.